Hello everyone. Today I want to discuss a concept on multiple granularity. So here multiple granularity means here in a concurrency control mechanism we are used two types of locks. So in a concurrency mechanism we are used two types of lock. What are those two types of locks? Shared lock and exclusive lock. So shared lock is nothing but it should be used for read operation, nothing but if you want to read a particular data item you should use the read lock, that what we call it as shared lock. If we want to write, then you are going to use the lock called exclusive lock. If the lock is X is nothing but exclusive lock, then if we are going to place the exclusive lock, you can execute both read and write operations. So how many types of locks are there here? Two types of locks. One is shared lock and another one is exclusive lock. Shared lock is used for read operation and exclusive lock is used for write operation. Shared lock is going to be calling it as yes and exclusive lock is going to be calling it as X. So then here our concept is multiple granularities, nothing but multiple levels. Multiple levels, you are going to define a hierarchy and how you can place the logs at multiple ways for a database. So in order to place the logs for entire database, nothing but we are having the hierarchy. Hierarchy means here we are going to maintain the tree structure. So if we are going to maintain the tree structure, the first node is going to be calling it as the root node and next level nodes which are going to be calling it as the parent nodes, and next are its descendants and siblings, and finally the leaf level node. So here we are going to define the multiple levels. Multiple levels, nothing but it is going to be generated a hierarchy, conceptual hierarchy. So level by level you are going to place multiple data items. Level by level you are going to place either shared lock or exclusive lock or both shared and exclusive lock. So in order to arrange those set of locks in a particular hierarchy or in a tree based structure, that what we are going to be calling it as here multiple granularity. So nothing but it can be represented graphically as a tree. So how you can define it is a tree? So nothing but it should be totally different from tree locking. So nothing but in the tree locking we are used only so nothing but shared and exclusive. Here you should use shared, exclusive, and both shared and exclusive locks also. So likewise here the type of the mechanism here it is going to be calling it as intention. So intention shared, intention exclusive, shared intention exclusive. So likewise we are going to place the locks. So likewise you should define the tree in two ways, in explicitly as well as in implicitly. So nothing but if you are going to place the lock explicitly, it automatically applies those locks implicitly. So nothing but if you are going to place the lock for a root node item, then automatically descendant nodes, so descendant nodes are also going to implicitly place the lock. So if you explicitly place the lock, then automatically implicitly it locks all the descendants in that particular tree. So if you are going to place a lock on a parent, then automatically parent have the children, then the children automatically implicitly get locked. So why? Because we are using this case means for we are having a database means so many set of data items. For each and every data item you need not place lock and you need not release the lock. So if it is nothing but already the lock is placed by another item, so nothing, if you are going to wait for a particular data item, if you are waiting for that particular in order to place the lock, then in this case long period of time waiting situation is going to be occurred. So in order to remove that waiting situation, if you are going to arrange them in a particular type of structure, so here our structure, our data structure is a tree structure. So implicitly if we are arranging all those items in a tree structure, so here one hierarchy is going to be formed. If explicitly, if parent or root is going to be get locked, automatically implicitly whatever the dependents on the root, whatever the dependent on the parents automatically get locked. So there is no need to ask for I am waiting for shared lock and I am waiting for exclusive lock. No waiting time is there. So for this purpose we are reducing the waiting time. So for this purpose we can improve the performance. That performance can be achieved with the granularity of locking. Means here granularity means you can define multiple levels. You can define the levels in the tree either is in the form of root or parent or children or siblings or leaf level nodes. Likewise, you should define the levels. So here in this levels, the two levels are there, two types of mechanisms are there. One mechanism is called as fine granularity, and second mechanism here we are going to be calling it as coarse granularity. So what is a fine granularity? Means here you can observe the lower level, and here you can observe the higher level. So here in this case, you can observe the fine granularity, and here you can observe the coarse granularity. So here in this case, fine granularity means here lower level. So you can observe the lower level of the tree and higher level of the tree. So here, so if the lower level of the tree, nothing but you are going to keep on locking on entire lower level of the tree, then it should leading to high locking overhead. Then if you lock only the higher level of the tree, automatically get the lower levels get locked. So for this purpose here the locking overhead is low. So likewise, if low locking overhead means low concurrency, high overhead means high concurrency. So like nothing but if you want to, why? Because here lower level means higher level we are having only some set of nodes. So for this purpose the performance is more. So lower level means more number of nodes. The performance is nothing but reduced. So likewise, you should define the fine granularity and you should define the coarse granularity. Nothing but implementing it is in the lower level and it is implementing the higher level. Based upon the higher or lower, you can define the performance, or you can define the how much amount of overhead it should define. So here we should observe one example here. So here the levels which you are going to be define it as the hierarchy is nothing but the first thing which you are going to be calling it as a database. Here in these two areas are there, area 1, area 2. So let us take the database which is divided into two partitions. The first partition is going to be calling it as the area 1, and second partition which you are going to be taking it as area 2. So here in this case, in the first partition we are having set of files, file A and file B, and each and every file holds a collection of records. So record by A, it is related to A, so A1, A2, AN. So if it is related to file B, and B1, the set of records are B1, B2, BK. And if it is related to file C, the set of records are C1, C2 and CM. So the first level is database, second level is its partitions, and third level is set of files, and fourth level is based upon the set of records. So here you should define the levels are first one database, second one area or partition, and third one is a file, and fourth one is a record. So based upon entire log for the database, log for the partitions, and log for the files, and log for the collection of records. So likewise you are going to specify the set of logs. So here you should observe three types in multiple granularity. You very well know S is nothing but shared and X is nothing but exclusive, read log, and this is used for write log. And how you can use it in the tree structure. So here there is a difference. So if it is a read, we may call it as intention shared, and if it is exclusive, we may calling it as intention exclusive, and if it is both shared and exclusive, we may calling it as shared and intention exclusive. It may calling it as SIX6. So here intention shared means IS, intention exclusive means IX, shared and intention exclusive means both SIX. So what is intention shared? Means if you lock explicitly you can lock shared, then all the lower levels of the tree are used with the shared logs. So nothing but lower level of the tree, but only with the shared log. If it is exclusive, all the lower levels are placed with the exclusive log. Means shared means only read. All the lower level of the tree that can perform read operation. All the lower level of the tree here in this exclusive, it can perform exclusive, means both read and write operation. So here in this case, in shared and intention exclusive, here it is nothing but, so if any subtree is there, if you log the subtree with the shared mode or with the explicit mode, then automatically the lower level mode it can be defined with exclusive mode. Nothing but they can place exclusive mode. So all the lower levels you can execute both read and write operations. So that is the mode of shared and intention exclusive. If any subtree is going to be placed with shared mode or exclusive mode, all the lower levels must perform both read and write operations. So this is what we calling it as shared and intention exclusive log. Got it? So first one is intention shared, means here the lower level of the tree with the read mode, the lower level of the tree with the read and write mode. So here the lower level of the mode with the read and write mode, if we place any type of log on the root node. So likewise we should define the shared and intention exclusive. So here what is a compatibility? So if we are going to place the locks, what is the compatibility if we are having intention shared to intention shared, whether it is supported or not. If we do intention shared and intention exclusive, whether it is supported or not, for all the levels, for all the multiple granular tables, for all the levels of hierarchy, how it is supported. So likewise we should define in the matrix. So here it should be observed that, so whether it is in intention shared it is so it should be supported here. So it is true, and here it is also it is true, and here it is also it is true, and here it is also it is true, and it is not supported. So likewise we should place wrong here. And next, so it is true, and next one is here it is also true, and here it is not supported, and here in this case also not supported, and here it is not supported. And next, shared to intention shared, it is supported, and here it is and here it is not supported. And next one is here it's supported, and here it is not supported, and here it is not supported. And next, if we are using this one, it is supported. So and here it is case it is not supported, and it not supports, it's not supports, and it not supports. And likewise whether it, if you performing the purely exclusive mode, nothing but right operation, in all these intention shared are not supported. So likewise everything is not supported here. So likewise you should define the compatibility of the matrix. If it is intention shared, and you can possible the intention shared is supported. If it is intention shared and also supporting the intention exclusive, if it is intention shared and you can read and you can read and you can perform. Why? Because you read means everyone can read the operation, but you can't perform right operation. So if it is right operation, then automatically you can read and you can write. So likewise exclusive mode in exclusive mode as well as implicitly you can both perform the read operation as well as internal levels it may perform operations, right operations. But only shared, only read and only write at the explicit level, it is not possible. So likewise we should observe shared and shared, intention exclusive and exclusive, and this is also not purely supported. So likewise you should define the compatibility of the matrix in the intention of lock modes. So here in this case first thing is you can define the multiple levels, how you can place the locks. So shared are exclusive, but it can be placed in intention shared mode, intention exclusive mode, intention shared, intention exclusive mode. So likewise we should define a tree of hierarchy with taking the database and the partitions and the set of files and set of records. So likewise we are going to arrange and we are going to place the locks. Thank you. Hope you understood.